Have you ever heard about the incredibly peculiar laws that seem to pop up in different states, especially those involving animals? It feels like every state has at least one truly wild rule on the books, perhaps about a specific pet or a strange activity. These tales are often shared with a laugh and a shake of the head. When it comes to the alleged California ordinance about donkeys sleeping in bathtubs after 10 at night, the direct answer is that this law is a persistent urban legend and was never actually enforced because it was never a real law. This widely circulated story is a classic example of a legal myth, not an actual statute or ordinance from the state of California or any of its municipalities. The core mechanism behind this popular tale is often the misinterpretation of historical events or the embellishment of real, but much less exciting, regulations. Many so-called strange laws are either entirely fabricated, based on a misunderstanding of an older, broader law, or were local ordinances from a different era that have since been repealed or fallen into disuse. The donkey bathtub story specifically seems to have no verifiable legal origin, making its enforcement impossible. To determine the validity of any strange law you hear about, it is always best to consult official government websites or legal databases for that specific state or city. Look for official statutes, codes, or ordinances. If you cannot find it documented, it is likely an urban legend. Remember that a law must be officially enacted to be enforceable. One interesting detail about legal myths is that they often stem from a kernel of truth or a specific historical context. For example, some old animal regulations were indeed related to public health, property damage, or managing livestock in urbanizing areas. However, these rarely involved such specific and peculiar circumstances as a donkey in a bathtub at a certain hour. The enduring popularity of such stories highlights our fascination with the quirky side of legal history. Understanding the difference between a funny story and an actual enforceable law can save you unnecessary worry and also deepen your appreciation for how laws truly work. Knowing how to verify legal information helps you sift through common misconceptions, allowing you to appreciate the genuine oddities in legal history while dismissing the delightful but untrue ones.